decentralized finance markets have remained at their highest levels in terms of total value locked, despite a hack over the weekend resulting in the loss of 500,000 in crypto assets. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. Today we are going to discuss about the latest and you can say the top list of the DeFi coins which are available in the coin market cap, and also we are going to cover regarding the India, which is basically offering or you can say allowing 7 apps to buy, sell, store bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies to their nation. And also I'm going to tell you regarding the DeFi coins, what are DeFi coins and how you can get benefit from the DeFi coins. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Okay, first of all, I will tell you in the starting, here comes the CEO of the Binance Exchange and also basically the CEO of CoinMarketCap. You can also say it like this. Here basically about 2 hours earlier, he shared a whole list of the DeFi tokens and coins which are available in the CoinMarketCap. Right now in CMC we have more than 205, it means 205 DeFi projects and 192 of them built on Ethereum. Basically they are ERC20 tokens. So here comes the entire list of the DeFi tokens which are available in the coin market cap at this time. Here you can see it by yourself and all the tokens are at this time on the uptrend. So that is such a great thing regarding the DeFi tokens. So what is DeFi all about? Because most of the people don't know about this, that what is DeFi tokens all about. DeFi is the movement that okay, you can say that is entirely the decentralized networks to transform old financial products into trustless and transparent protocols that run without okay, you can say any type of intermediaries. It means there is no one okay, for example, it is 100% decentralized first of all. Secondly, no one is there to hold this. It means there is no one who can handle all the things, who is basically like the CEO or anything. So it is basically without any type of intermediaries. So that is such a great thing regarding these DeFi tokens. So here comes the entire news. If you want to read, you can easily read each and everything regarding these tokens and also about the whole news of the DeFi market. Now I'm going to share the top list of the India 7 apps to buy, sell, store bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency trading in India has witnessed a massive spike after the Supreme Court lifted RBI's 2-year ban in March, coupled with the historical depreciation of the rupee. Bitcoins are emerging as a less volatile form of wealth, and here comes all the major apps which basically India allowing to their customers to basically use, and they can basically buy the BTC or Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency directly from these apps, and also they can store their bitcoins and other things in these okay, in all these apps. So the first one is basically the Coinbase, the second one is Binance, the third one is Wazirs is, as we all know, it is basically an Indian exchange, so that is such a great thing regarding it. And also the Unocoin, and also the next one is the ZepPay, and also BitBNS, and the last one in our list is BitBuddy. So at this time India is offering, or you can say they are allowing to their nation that they can hold the BTC or other cryptocurrencies in these 7 apps. So this is such a great thing regarding the cryptocurrency, and also it is in the favor of the cryptocurrency and also the CMC. So here comes the all news. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.